Social Science 9th Standard Part Geography Chapter 13 Land Resources of Karnataka Exercises Question and Answers Additional Multiple Choice Question and Answer Test. Let's begin with the exercise first. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. Utilizing a land for different purposes is called land utilization. Second, largest net area zone is in Kalburgi district. Third, the Belagavi district is the largest producer of sugar cane in Karnataka. Fourth, tobacco contains an intoxicating substance called nicotine. Second, answer the following questions in brief. Fifth, name the different types of land utilization in Karnataka. Answer, the types of land utilization include net area of soil, forest area, land not available for cultivation, roads, industries, residence, other uncultivated land, grazing land, trees, groves, fallow land. Next six, write a note on importance of agriculture in Karnataka. Answer, agriculture is a primary ancient occupation in Karnataka. It provides livelihood to over 61% of people, mainly in rural areas. It is the backbone of the state's economy and supports food supply, raw materials to industries, revenue generation, and foreign exchange. It also promotes treasury occupations like banking, insurance, and transport. Next, seventh. What is meant by irrigation? Name the main crops grown. Options. Irrigation is the supply of water to crops through canals, tanks, and wells. The main crops grown using irrigation are paddy and sugarcane. 8. Explain the main characteristics of the mixed farming. Answer. Mixed farming involves both crop cultivation and allied activities like dairy farming, sericulture, sheep rearing, poultry, beekeeping, and fishery. It helps in diversifying income and making farming more suitable. Next, ninth question. Write a note on maize. Maize is called the queen of grains and is widely grown in South Karnataka. It is used as a food for humans and fodder for animals. It is a tropical crop requiring moderate rainfall and temperature, grown mainly in Chikmagaluru, Tumkur, Mysuru, and Bengaluru rural districts. Next, match the following A to B. First, coffee, Korag, Kodagu. Second, cotton, Haveri, paddy, Raichur, Ragi, Tumkuru, Jawar, Vijayapura. We will take few PQ questions. First question, what is the total geographical area of Karnataka? Our options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is here. The second one B, 19.05 lakh hectares. Second, which district has the largest area under cultivable land in Karnataka? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is second one, Kalburgi. Next, 3. The district with the least net area of sown due to urbanization is options are A, B, C, and D. Our correct option is third one, Bangalore urban. Next, the district with the largest forest area in Karnataka is options are here A, B, C, and D. Our correct option is second one B, Uttar Kannada. Next, which district has the largest fallow land in Karnataka? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is second one, Kalburgi. Next, what percentage of Karnataka's population depends on agriculture? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our right option is third one, 61.33%. Next, 7. Which of the following is not a type of farming method mentioned? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is urban farming. Next question 8. Ragi is mainly grown in which part of the Karnataka? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our correct option third one, Southern Maidan. Next, ninth, which district is the leading producer of ragi in Karnataka? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our right option is second one B, Tumkuru. Next, which crop is referred to as the queen of grains? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our correct option is third one C, maize. Next, 11th one, which is the most important commercial crop of Karnataka? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our right option, second one be sugarcane. 12. Belagavi district is a leading producer of which crop? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our correct option here, third one, sugarcane. 13. Which crop provides raw materials for the textile industry? Options are A, B, C, D. Right option is here the first one, A, cotton. 14. Mysuru is well known for the cultivation of which commercial crop? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our right option is second one B, tobacco. Next, what is the most famous plantation crop of the Karnataka? Options are A, B, C. Our correct option here, third one C, coffee. 16. Who introduced coffee to the Karnataka? Options are A, B, C, D. Our correct option here is third one C, a Muslim fakir named Baba Budan. Next, 17. Which district is known as the land of coffee? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our right option is here the last one D, Kodagu.